Well, hello world. Another memoQ video and another tip. There is something annoying me personally in memoQ. In translation results window, there are sometimes hidden results. The indication of hidden results is this eye white shot. I, I'm, I'm not getting it. What is the concept behind this? I prefer that the default setting to be showing all, and I have common sense enough to determine what to use. So an eye shot means there are hidden results. One click on it shows the hidden result or results. Another click, single click, hides it. So an open eye, all results. a shut, a shut eye, hidden results. So luckily, I have noticed this bubble. Double click for settings. Double click. I studied these settings to find out that by unchecking longest here will result in showing all results. Okay. Whether the eye is shut or open, all results will be showing. Here are all results are shown, the repeated results. So I can determine what to do. But, for example, to delete one of the repetitions. Okay, delete. To further clarify, here is another duplication I will generate now. Adding another term, the same term. Even if the language is not yours, you can show these two terms are identical and they are now shown in the same time. There's nothing needed to click and unclick, open and shut. No necessity for this. So, good luck.